Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the right communities. Search for 5-10 niche subreddits that match your keyword intent. Once found, audit top posts to learn what headlines and comment threads drive engagement and why they rank. Then, make one content hook per subreddit: a question, a data point, or a resource, something helpful and linkable. Make sure to record post cadence and tone. You will use those details in your outreach and post drafts immediately. You now create posts designed to earn natural links and traffic, one resource-style how-to and one discussion question tailored to subreddit norms. Make sure to follow rules. Use correct flair, meet karma limits, and avoid blatant promotion. Explain value instead. Once live, engage actively for the first 24 to 72 hours. Reply to top comments, add clarifying details, and edit the post with new findings. This interaction, you turn engagement into measurable SEO value by adding contextual links when appropriate. Use screenshots, data, or excerpted value rather than pure promotion. Once a comment thread performs well, expand that discussion into a longer blog or guide, then share the summarized update back to the subreddit as an informative follow-up. Finally, monitor referral traffic, keyword rank changes, and new backlinks weekly. If visibility stalls, troubleshoot with a /b headlines, different subreddits, or deeper comment engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.